What's up guys, welcome to my channel Ani TV. Now guys, I will teach you how to go the cheap trip just for 2 cards only guys. Metro card and bus card, the cheapest trip here in Doha guys. This one guys is Metro card. This is the Metro card guys. This one. Now we're going inside to ride the metro, going to the destination. Yeah, this one guys. This is our metro card, okay? Now, another card is bus card, Carwa card. This bus card is for Carwa going to home because there is no metro going to home. So, bus is everywhere accessible. This is the bus card guys. This one, this is the Carwa bus. Okay, this is the cheapest. Now we're on the way to home. This is it. Relaxing guys. Just sit in front for the ladies seat. Special for the ladies in the Carwa bus guys. There is seat for ladies in front, backside for the guys, for man, whatever. Ganda-gandahan. Now the driver is down because of maybe he felt something. So we stop in the Great Market near to our home. See? There is no driver this side guys. We stuck this side. See? No driver, okay? Now we are on the way again to home na. It's 4 to 5 minutes